over Today I'll be going over HubSpot's new blog research agent. This is one of the 12 new AI tools that HubSpot rolled out in Inbound this year. You can find this agent here in Breeze Studio. But we're going to take this agent for a spin and see what it can do. All right, so we can go ahead and configure the agent. And here we are inside the agent. So we can go ahead and select the blog that we want to publish to. I'm going to go ahead and select this test blog for now, just out of concern that something might happen and we might accidentally publish something on GK3's main blog, which I don't want to do. But we're going to go ahead and list out the topics that we want this agent to write about. So let's say we want to create a post about how to leverage AI in financial services marketing to grow AUM. All right. And guide how this agent behaves. So it looks like HubSpot has some pre-built agent instructions, but you can't edit these instructions, but you can go ahead and add extra instructions. That's interesting. We're going to go ahead and say, make sure this blog post is conversational in tone and includes at least 5 references throughout the post. Make sure you list 3 ways that AI can be leveraged in financial services for marketing. All right, so what this agent can do looks like it can search the web for information, and it looks like you can also access HubSpot CRM records to write the post as well. Not quite sure. For this post, I definitely don't think I would want to, but it's good to know that, if there's important information that's relevant to the content that you're writing stored in CRM records, it's good to know that you can access those CRM records to write blog content. All right. And what this agent knows, it understands GK3's brands, ideal customer profile, and our products and services. And it looks like you can continue to build this out. You can add more context for this agent to go off of when creating blog posts. And it looks like you can add tools as well to give the agent further context or input to write this blog content. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and test this agent and see what sort of content it comes up with. Okay, very cool. So it's reviewing existing titles of blog posts that we previously published on the blog to make sure that it doesn't repeat content that's been created before. Retrieves brand identity, getting ICPs. Oh, that's cool. Wow, that's kind of neat. So it's going through a series of steps to prepare to write the blog post in a very systematic way. And I really like the transparency. I like how it tells you exactly what it's doing in real time. Browsing the web, finding references online regarding AI in financial services marketing, planning the content structure. It's even generating an AI image for the blog post as well. So we'll give this just a second to finish up, and then we'll circle back. I'm going to go ahead and pause this for now. All right, and the blog research agent has finished up creating this content. So I'm just going to skim through really quick. Let's get, okay, right off the bat, let's get conversational. It may have taken my conversational tone instructions maybe a little bit too literally. I didn't need to see conversational in the content itself. I was kind of referring to just the tone of the article, but that's okay. But it's not just about chasing hype. So let's see. Here are my headings: personalizing clients' experiences at scale, automating campaigns for building. Here's one of the sources that it cited. All right, so just as I instructed, it came up with 5 sections, 5 headings for this post. So it's a listicle style format, and I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sources. So that's great. As I instructed, it's listed off. It's included 5 sources in the content. And just skimming through it, it looks like half decent content. It definitely could use some tweaking. It could definitely use some work, but that's what I would expect from any AI content generated from any tool used to assist in creating blog posts. So, all in all, I would say not bad. Like I've said before about HubSpot's other AI tools, this is a really good tool to create a starting point for content. This should not be you should definitely not use this tool to create some blog content in 10 minutes and then go ahead and publish it right away. Thanks for watching.